Hello, it's Simon from Duffells, and here we have the DLMSNIBLPW. Let's open the packaging and see what we get inside. We have got a lever handle, we have got the paddle handle, we have got two spindles and the fixing screws. Let's take some measurements. We have got an overall length of 243 millimeters and a width of 30 millimeters. Our screw centers are 212 millimeters and our top screw to spindle center is 75 millimeters. Our bottom screw to the bottom of the euro is 20 millimeters and our PZ center on the lever handle is 92 millimeters and our PZ center on the paddle handle is 62 millimeters. Thank you.